Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado con el cinturón de seguridad ajustado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del dinosaurio. Cuide a los pequeñitos. Gracias. Riders in the front row can use their lever to fly higher or lower. Riders in the back row can use their lever to tilt forward or backward. Ready? Then let's go for a spin! Your TriceraTops comes to a complete stop. Then, make sure you have all your belongings and walk to the exit gate.
Welcome back, spinners. Please grab all your personal belongings and follow the exit signs to our one and only exit. And welcome to our new spinners. As a reminder, please seat smaller guests towards the inside of the TriceraTops or in the front row with the supervising adult in the back row. And once the ride is in motion, please remain seated at all times with seatbelt securely fastened.
All right, friends, seated to the number you were assigned. All smaller riders go to the inside.
Hey spinners, it's Chester here, reminding you for your safety to stay seated with that seatbelt fastened good and tight as you spin. Whilst you're spinning, keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside, and be sure to watch your children. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado con el cinturón de seguridad ajustado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del dinosaurio. Cuide a los pequeñitos. Gracias. Riders in the front row can use their lever to fly higher or lower. Riders in the back row can use their lever to tilt forward or backward. Ready? Then let's go for a spin!
Sit back, sit tight. These dinos are taking flight.
Clap along if you feel like that's what you want. Give me all you got, don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. Don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is. Bring me down, can't know you. Bring me down, love is too high.
Looks like our little dinosaurs are landing, so please stay seated. When they come to a complete stop, make sure you have all your belongings and then walk to the exit gate. Bye-bye.
Animal Kingdom. To all ladies winners, welcome. As a reminder, please keep those smaller guests towards the inside of the TriceraTops away from the open door, or the front row to prevent the get up in the back. And with this ride in motion, please remain seated at all times with those seatbelts completely